Zoomerz Zeke, we're going to teach you how to replace your tire tube. Now, you've probably seen several techniques on how to do that, and we're going to do one specific one that we actually found on YouTube that we really like. I call it the zip tie technique. Now, we're replacing a Honda XR 650 front wheel. So we're going to take our tube. You're going to want to probably air it up a little. You just put the tube in the tire. That's all it is. You put the tube in the tire. First place you want to do it is right by the spigot, right here. Now, I usually put it in between the tread so that it's not in the way and it's not too loose. Oh, I almost forgot. You want to leave at least 6 inches to a foot gap in between each zip tie. Now here, we got to do it to hold the spigot in place tighter so it would go in easier inside the spigot hole.
Okay.
We're going to take Simple Green and we're going to make it slippery so it will easily slide on. Now we're handing the camera over to me so that my dad, Patrick the Zoo, usually the cameraman, now he's having to use the spoons to actually pull the tire over, and then he'll snip the zip ties.
Step on that side over there, bud.
Over here?
Yeah.
We're almost there. Wonderful. Now, watching. I hope that video was very informational for you and helped you on how to change your dirt bike tire, street bike tire, whatever you have. Safe riding. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.